In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a permanent email draft template in Gmail. This is a fantastic way to streamline your communication if you frequently send emails that contain similar content. Having a draft template ready can save you a lot of time by eliminating the need to type the same text over and over again. So, whether you're crafting regular newsletters, responses, or any recurring messages, this guide is for you. Let's dive right in. First, open your Gmail account and navigate to the Compose button on the top left corner to create a new email. Essentially, what we're going to do is draft an email that will serve as your template. So, compose the email just as you would if you were before sending it for real. Here, you can include subject lines, greetings, body text, and even signatures, anything that you want to standardize across your frequent communications. If your email requires certain fields to be filled out by individual recipients, make sure to leave those areas blank or use placeholders so you can just fill in the details later. After you've settled on the content and structure of your email, it's time to save this as a draft template. To do this, click on the three dots in the lower right corner of the Email Compose window, which will open up more options. From the list, select Templates. If you haven't used templates before, you might need to enable them first by going to Settings and then Advanced to turn this feature on. Assuming it's activated, choose the Save Draft as Template option and then click on Save as New Template. This action will open a window where you'll be asked to name your template. Pick a name that's descriptive enough for you to easily identify it later. Great, your draft is now saved as a permanent template, ready to use whenever you need it. The next time you find yourself sending a similar email, simply go back to the Compose window, click on those three dots again, hover over Templates, and find the template you saved. By selecting the template name, the content will instantly load into the email body, making it incredibly convenient for you to modify any specific details before sending. One handy tip: keep updating your template as needed. If you ever want to make changes to the content, you can simply overwrite it by loading the template, editing it, and saving it again with the same name to replace the old version. And that's all there is to it. By using Gmail's draft templates, you can significantly cut down the time you spend on repetitive emailing tasks and ensure that your messages are consistent and professionally crafted every single time. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this guide helps you optimize your emailing process for the better.